Today we're going to go over a site called Level Rewards once again, because I don't think I showed y'all that your site is good enough. Basically, it's a site where you take different offers and you get a credit value. Once you get a credit value of full one credit value, then you can start earning from $5 to $5 per referral. And it just goes up and up to I think $180 per referral. So some of these sites are really easy to join, credits quickly, and have a lot of stuff. Then you click the status page. You click to select your link, and that'd be your link right here. You copy your link, and then you share it on social media. The site is called, but you can't really share it on social media because they only get you for spamming. So you just want to find a way to share it in a sense that, you can still get your referrals and they're going to be active and you're going to actually, do the offers that I showed y'all on this page. Right? Some of them are free and you get one credit value. Free. So check it out. See, I don't know if you can see in this corner, people are joining, and so yeah, check out Level Rewards. The site is called Level Rewards. It's free to join, but you have to get a credit before you start earning money. I already have my credit up top. As you can see, I'm on level 1. You can earn, and it pays out to PayPal or bank transfer. Alright, so yeah, check it out. I just wanted to do this video again because I don't think the other video is clear enough on what this was. Thanks for watching. Peace out.